They lied to you about African history. You learned Africans were colonized. They accepted it. Reality, they fought back and sometimes they won. 1929, Aba, Nigeria. British troops massacred 50 unarmed women. British newspapers barely mentioned it. Your history textbooks, silent. Here is what they didn't tell you. The women forced the British Empire to surrender. I searched 10 major world history textbooks. Zero mentioned Aba. Zero mentioned Wanyiruwa. Zero mentioned the largest women uprising against colonialism. Why? Why? Because it destroys the narrative. Colonial powers don't want you to know the loss to unarmed women. I posted the full documented story they tried to erase. Aba Women's War on my channel right now. Time to unlearn the lies.